And just to prove a point, look at all of this expelled coal for forging and melting gold ore down. Yeah, there's this whole hillside right here is black with coal. I think this is a piece of pottery right here. Nope, just sandstone or something. But yeah, this whole hill right here is expelled coal. And there's a little piece of maybe an old hinge. Yeah, that's cool. That's an old hinge. New find for the area. That's awesome. I think I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, that's definitely an old hinge, because there's like a nail hole, and right there you put the pin through and the other hinge. Sweet.